Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren says the team will get over the line as they prepare for their final game of World Cup qualifiers against Curacao at the National Stadium on Tuesday. While speaking at Monday's pre-match press conference, McLaren says there's one clear objective.
It's a win. When you play for a draw or a win, you are a little bit in between. And I don't think we can be in between tomorrow.
He also spoke about righting the wrongs from the 2-0 first leg defeat.
That was disappointing. We didn't start the game well, so we must start the game well tomorrow. That's a big lesson. And we had chances to win the game. When you look at the stats after the game, we had more chances on target, and we should have scored in that game. I had a goal disallowed for, I don't know what, but so we knew we were in with a chance in that game. The start was poor, so we've got to start well tomorrow.
Striker Kaim Dixon believes the team is in the right spirit heading into the final game at the office.
Everyone is ready. Like, the coach made the decision, whether he starts you or not, like, you just have to be ready. That's what matters most. That's the balance in the team. Like, always be ready, even if it's 5 minutes, just ready to play.
Jamaica is second in Group B in the final round of World Cup qualifiers on 10 points, while Curacao lead the group on 11. The game between Jamaica and Curacao kicks off at 8 p.m. The Court of Appeal has quashed the sexual assault convictions of former high school football coach Kevin Williams, ruling that the trial judge has caused a miscarriage of justice by refusing to postpone the case when Williams' chosen lawyer was unavailable. The unanimous 45-page judgment was handed down on Friday, sharply criticizing the decision of Justice Vinette Graham Allen, finding that her refusal to grant a short adjournment deprived Williams of a fair trial. Football coach Kevin Sensor Williams was sentenced in 2019 for a combined 16 years and 3 months in prison for having sex with a minor at his former place of employment, Mona High School. And finally, West Indies under-19 men's team took a 1-0 lead in their 7-match youth ODI series against England with a 4-0 victory on Sunday in Grenada. Electing to bat, the young Englishmen were dismissed for 242 in 46.2 overs. Shaquan Bell, Jakeem Pollard, Zachary Carter and Kunal Tilakani all took 2 wickets apiece for the Caribbean team. Jamaican spinner Vittel Laws picked up 1 for 27. Joe Morse top scored for England with 59 and Caleb Faulkner supported with 44. In reply, the West Indies were led to victory by captain Joshua Dorn, who top scored with 90 from 119 balls. Jonathan Van Lang was next best with 52 from 50. Jamaican opener Tyreek Bryan made 18 from 39 balls. Jack Nelson with 3 for 50 was the best bowler for England. Both teams are using the series as preparation for the ICC Under-19 World Cup in 2026. The second game of the series will bowl off on Wednesday at the same venue. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.